Hello everyone, I'm Nina and you're watching the second episode of my How to Draw a Realistic Male Head series of tutorials. So in this episode we will draw realistic eyes. We will learn where to actually place them on our sketch that we did in the previous tutorial, and we will try to make them look really realistic and masculine apparently. So remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials and to learn more stuff from me, and let's start. In this video you will need a hard and a soft pencil, even though a wider range of pencils will be helpful. For example, I will be using 2B, HB and a black pencil. I will also need an eraser, mine is kneadable, and a blending tool. If you don't have a makeup brush like I use, you can make your own blending tool, actually blending stump, after watching my tutorial, or use a cotton bud or a soft tissue for blending. First of all, we need to figure out where to place the eyes and how big they need to be. So draw a line a little lower than the brow line. We already know that this cross represents the point between the eyebrows. And then we need to divide this line into 5 equal parts. By the way, the distance between the eyes equals the eye length. I always use this rule to double check if my proportions are correct and if nothing is off. If you saw my How to Draw a Realistic Eye tutorial, you know that it's technically correct to start with drawing a circle. If you want to, you can use it here as well, but I prefer to skip the step when drawing relatively small eyes. So I'm just forming the shape of the eyes I want. It looks like an almond shape. Try to make it look the same. Then I'm drawing an iris inside of the lids and a pupil. I also want to make sure the upper lid covers the iris. And then of course the crease above the upper lid and 2 lash lines. In general, male eyes are less tilted and smaller than female eyes. By the way guys, use this hashtag on Instagram if you want to show me how you drew this male face. I will be really curious to see you there. The challenge here is to make both eyes look symmetric. A very good idea can be to draw a reflection in the eyes. It can have many shapes. I just drew 2 tiny circles. The eyebrows are also very important when drawing eyes, so let's sketch them as well. They need to be a little longer than the eye length, and since we're drawing a male head, I think they need to be pretty wide and a little bit low, because most men, don't plug the eyebrows. Now to the fun part, the iris. The iris is one of the most beautiful things about the human eye. We also call our eyes the window of the soul. And it might be because the iris is so personal, like a fingerprint, and has such wonderful colors and patterns. The first thing you need to do is use a hard pencil and fill in the iris space. Don't draw over the reflection, as it has to stay completely white like the paper, or even if you do it, just like use an eraser and try to pull out some graphite on this space. And I'm also using a black pencil to fill in the pupil.
Hello everyone, today I'm filming from my hometown, St. Petersburg. I want to show you the place I grew up in. This is the city I grew up in, and of course we're going to visit a couple of amazing places.
I also always shade along the iris rim and the top of the iris because the lashes cast shadows on the eye itself. Then get a softer pencil and draw the pattern by making little cute lines coming out of the pupil and the edge of the iris like this. Once again, avoid the reflection. It's also important that you rinse and repeat a few times until you're satisfied. After this, you can take an eraser and pull out thin lines in the middle of the iris like this. This will give the iris depth and realism. The last two things are to gently shade the eyelids and the white of the eye. I'm just shading the corners and right below the crease. Just reminding you again that I have a very thorough step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a realistic eye. I actually have a few tutorials, so you should definitely check them out. I leave the links in the description in case you want to refresh some things or in case if you haven't seen them. In a later episode we will do skin shading, so you don't have to do all this, but it kind of gives the skin around the eye some realism. And last but not least, we will add eyelashes. eyelashes are pretty much the same as female eyelashes, but because women have been wearing makeup, you can make a character look more or less feminine or masculine by adding lashes. It's a good idea not to make the male lashes too thick or long, as it will make the character look a little bit more feminine, I think. And by the way, I know lashes are hard, so I actually made an entire tutorial on how to draw lashes on my channel. You can check it out if eyelashes cause you problems. Find the link down below. Other than that, I can tell you that lashes are spread over the lash lines. They start by growing out and then up, so you have to make them curved like this. Also, they sit in little bundles, so make sure to sharpen your pencil when drawing these fine lash hairs. Have patience and you will do great. The lower lashes are the same, just cuter and thinner. The other eye is shaded in the same way with only one difference. I'm trying to make it look like the left eye. And while you're watching how I'm doing it, I want to say a few words about the differences between male and female eyes. I think if you look only at the eyes, it might be a challenge to say if it's a man or a woman, especially nowadays. But if you want to underline that you're drawing a man, a male face, I would recommend making the eyelashes shorter, no makeup, and low unplugged eyebrows, I guess. Of course, we must remember that all people look different and the way they want, and I'm just telling you what I think I would do if I wanted to point out I'm drawing a male character. The eyebrows themselves consist of little hairs growing first upwards, then sideways, and then sideways downwards, like this. First you draw the hairs using small flicks of the wrist, and then you blend it. Repeat this until your eyebrows are looking realistic. Start with a hard pencil and a light pressure, and move towards a softer pencil and pressure while blending in between. In the end, you can use an eraser to give your eyebrows lighter hairs here and there for depth and therefore realism. Now you're done drawing the male eyes and eyebrows. I hope you did well. If not, you have to practice again. It's no biggie, you know, nobody can do everything perfect from the first time. So just watch it again and repeat, and I'm sure you'll do great. So now you know where to put the eyes on your sketch and how to make them look realistic. And I will see you in the next tutorial where we will learn how to draw a realistic nose. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if so, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, or just write something in the comments. And see you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye!